Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek, and if this is the first time that you stop by my channel, feel free to subscribe. Hit that notification bell and do me a favor, share my videos. I have a giveaway coming up because I am on my way to 200 subscribers, so help me out here guys. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can win the giveaway, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to do, a 2 months review of my car. Now, a lot of people ask me to do this review of the car because not a lot of people own, this type of sports cars. And maybe doing a review like this one will help someone into making a decision to purchase something like this car right here. So stay tuned. Before I actually talk about my car, let me give you a little history about myself. Now, I'm from Cameroon and I come from a place where BMW doesn't really exist that much. It's a country that if you make it, you drive a Mercedes. So when I grew up, to me, Mercedes was also always something that, if you drive a Mercedes, then you made it. So when I came to the US, to me, I said, hey, if one day, man, I make it, I need to have a Mercedes. And one day I was actually looking to buy a Mercedes. And I went to a dealership, saw the Mercedes that I wanted to buy, and I wasn't convinced. And then next to the Mercedes was a BMW 750. And I said, man, let me test drive this car. That's how I started loving BMW. I test drove that car. The ride was fantastic. Man, I was just shocked how different that car was from the Mercedes that I drove before. Then, a few years back, I purchased my first BMW, and the rest is history. Now you see me, I own an M3 because I just love BMW. So that's my background on how I became pretty much a BMW lover. Now let me talk about this M3. This M3 color is sapphire black. It's really black, glossy, but in certain angle it feels like it's a little matte. Not sure how I can show it to you. I tried, but I wasn't able to show that. And it comes with a few packages. It has the adaptive headlight, which provides you the LEDs, as you can see right here. It has the competition pack that provides you the 666M wheels. It also comes with this red interior, which actually BMW call Secure Orange. Don't ask me why I call it orange, but it is red in person, so I call it red interior, make it simple. One of the M competition package include the seat belt and the stitching, as you can see here. The steering wheel on the M also has this beautiful stitching. I'm not sure if you guys can pick it up. Let me adjust the color here. So the M also has this stitching right here. The car came with parking sensors, adaptive steering, adaptive suspension. These two this one is standard, but this one is an option that you have to purchase. The car is also equipped with comfort access, meaning that you can lock the car directly by pressing the button and unlock it this way. This car is a 2017, so it has a remaining of the factory warranty. When I purchased the car, the dealership cleaned up everything, they did all the service. So right now I don't have any service due, and I haven't really taken the car to the dealership to fix any mechanical issue or anything like that. The only time I took it to the dealership was to fix a rattle that I have here on the center armrest. It kind of makes a buzzy sound every now and then when I put it in sport mode. So I took it to the dealership for them to address that. I did purchase the car with warranty, with maintenance package and tire package also. So what that gives me is maintenance package is pretty much if I have to do oil changes, change brakes, or any maintenance item on the car, it will be covered by that warranty. Tire package is pretty much this car is known for shredding tires. You go through tires like this. So tire package is pretty much means that their BMW will always just change my tires for free for me. And I actually no, I pay a $50 deductible because I did change my tires before. That's one thing that I purchased. And then this car being a CPO comes with some warranty, and I did add 2 more years to that because I'm planning to keep this car forever. This car being an M, it means that the engine is a little more advanced, and I just don't want to dive into fixing it if I have problems because the car is fairly new. I prefer the BMW professional to actually fix it while I sit down on a lounge and enjoy some nice coffee and take the loaner car. That's what I prefer. Now on this channel I definitely will have project cars where I will do hands-on, but a lot of the fixing that I will do on this car these days will be small stuff that I can do myself. When it's like more advanced things, I will take it directly to the dealer or a trusted mechanic for them to really fix it. So I haven't really had any issues, and this car has been very, very reliable to me. In terms of gas mileage, this car normally average 17 city and 25 highway, so I usually do 22 because I combine both highway and city on my daily commute when I go to work. So yeah, this car is fairly good on gas. In terms of comfort, if you saw my previous video, you will see that this car is very, very comfortable. I'm going to link the video in the description so you can actually go and take a look at that video and see how I explain the term of comfort in the different settings as far as comfort, efficient, sport and sport plus. So this car is very comfortable. I have not taken the car into the track or a trip, so that's something that I plan to do in the future, so stay tuned for those videos whenever that happens. But so far on my daily commute, it is very, very, very comfortable. This car is fantastic. No mechanical issues or nothing that will alarm me. Very reliable, and people actually say that this M3 is the most reliable M car that BMW has produced. So that speaks a lot, and this engine is very, very, very good. What made me decide to purchase an M3 over any other car? First, my car always have to be BMWs because I'm a BMW lover, right? Second thing, I needed a family sedan. So it's true I had a 435, which is also a Grand Coupe kind of sedan if you want to look at it this way, but it didn't have all of the right things that I wanted. Power, handling, but it was also comfortable. So I needed the M logo, I needed that power, I needed all of those things. So that's why I decided to purchase the M3. One thing that I definitely have to do is changing the exhaust. I need a more pronounced exhaust, so that is definitely something that I have to change. Now if we work around the car later down the line, I'm not sure yet, but I might change the spoiler right here for one that is a little more aggressive and that stands out a little bit more, but for now this one will do. One thing that I definitely will have is a side skirt. For those who don't know what a side skirt is, a piece that we add here that will just come out a little bit here. Side skirt is definitely a must. Now when I come on this corner, I definitely will have to have some suspension job done here. What that will do is pretty much going to lower this gap that you have from the fender to the wheel arch. The preferred look that I want is pretty much what I have here on the back. If you look here, there is almost no gap between the fender line and the wheel. That's what I want on the front. This reflector has to go. That's one of the more that I will do. I need to install also a front lip What a front wheel does, it pretty much pushes, say, something that you put right here that will make it look more aggressive. In the future, maybe I might actually install the CS hood. It is more aggressive, but for now this hood will actually do. Having that different hood, I would put a picture, is would make this car really man, it would change the look completely. Those are the outside things that I think that I might have to, change on the car. Now on the inside, let me show you what I think I may have to do. On the inside, the first thing I will have to change is this right here. Let me focus on that. So this logo, I want the new version of this logo, which is black, and then it has an M3 logo here that also lights up. This one lights up at night, but because it's silver, it's just out of place here. I prefer the new logo, so I will see how I can get that done. Second thing that I will have to do is upgrade this silver piece to a carbon fiber piece. Carbon fiber is pretty much this material, because I want that same uniform look right here. I will also install a how do you call it, radar detector, because I got tickets, man. And trust me, it is not fun with these cops out there. There you have it. This is my 2 months review on the car. So as you learn, I didn't have any mechanical issues with the car. The car has been very reliable. The car has provided me a lot of joy, a lot of smile, stares, people giving me the kudos. Yeah, you got a nice car, look. And also myself, every time I park the car, I always take pictures. That's why you have to follow me on Instagram, so you see every day when I upload those pictures into the cloud. Man, this car is beautiful. It provides me a lot of joy, and even the haters love this car. You can't believe this. Even the haters love the car. So for the giveaway, what you have to do in order to win the item and the gift card that I'm going to provide, it's very simple. First, you have to subscribe to my channel if you are not. Second, you have to hit the notification bell. Third, you have to follow me on Instagram. And then finally, share my video. Make sure that every time you share my videos that you tag me, because I'm going to count those shares. And that's how I'm going to determine who wins the prize, because if you don't tag me, I will not know if you share my videos to the world. So peace out, stay safe, and also make sure that you keep your health in check. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.